Today, we're ranking the top 5 RDAs of 2025. The big question is, can any of them outperform the legendary Dead Rabbit? Let's get into it. At number 5, the Wotofo Profile PS RDA. Mesh builds, thick clouds, and a smooth honeycomb airflow system make this one a reliable option for flavor chasers. At number 4, the Wotofo Recurve V2. Designed with mic vapes, it balances single and dual coil compatibility with excellent flavor and simple builds. Number 3 is the Digiflavor Drop V2. A deep juice well, quad post deck, and adjustable airflow keep this dual coil RDA at the top of its game. At number 2, the Hellvape Drop Dead V2. A modern upgrade of two legends, combining a postless deck with improved airflow and squonk capability. And the number 1 RDA of 2025, the Tauren RDA Vortex 30. With Vortex-style airflow that hits coils from every angle, it's delivering the smoothest performance and the richest flavor this year. So, is the Dead Rabbit still king? It holds its place in history, but these new RDAs prove that the future of flavor and performance has already arrived. Which one is your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments and make sure to subscribe to CloudEdge, because the best build